To run any R script, we have different options. Today in this session, we are going to see three options through which we can run any R script. These three options are: first, running any R script using any operating system's terminal or any operating system's command line. Second option is using R terminal or R console, and the third option is using R studio. Before we proceed, make sure that once you have installed R on your operating system, the folder path till bin as shown on the screen is available on your path environment variable. If this particular path till bin folder is not available in your path environment variable, then you won't be able to utilize different R command line options, and it holds true for Windows especially. Now there are mainly two commands that we are going to utilize. First command is Rscript and second command is source. So Rscript command is going to be used on any operating system's terminal, and source command is going to be used in R terminal, R console or R studio script environment. Again, before we proceed, I would like to mention one another thing, that if you are working on Linux, then the absolute path or relative path will contain single forward slash as shown over here. But if you are working on Windows, then the default path in Windows will have single backslash. So in all those scenarios, either you need to replace that single backslash with one more single backslash, means you need to use double backslash, or you need to replace single backslash with single forward slash to provide absolute path in R. Now let's quickly see the usage or example of these commands. So right now I am in the directory where my test script lies. So over here, that test script is hello world, and it contains only three statements. Now if I want to execute this script on this terminal, on this OS specific terminal, then the command is Rscript and then script name. So it will be hello world, and you can see that it has printed. So over here the output will be bit different compared to Python. Second thing is, let's say the script that you want to execute is not available in the same directory, in the same folder. In that case, you need to provide absolute path to the Rscript command, something like this. And again, Rscript will be able to execute that script successfully. Again, if you are working on Windows, make sure you are replacing backslash with forward slash, or you are providing extra backslash. So this was about the running Rscript from OS terminal. Now let me start R terminal or R console. So for that, you just need to type R and press enter. So right now you are in the R terminal or R console. So right now I am working on the Linux operating system, but if you are working on the Windows operating system, in that case that R console will look like something like this. So the window that you are able to see on the bottom left corner like this kind of the UI you will be able to see on the Windows for R terminal or R console. So over here, let's say if I want to execute any R script, so the option is like this: source and then absolute path of that particular file. Now let's say over here I want to run any R script, then the command is source and then either the absolute path or the file name, depends on the working directory of R. So this was about the R terminal or R console. Now let's see if I want to execute any script using RStudio. So in RStudio we have two options available, like Rscript and source. Over here, this particular portion, this is the script that I have opened, that is the hello world.r. So this is the script that we were executing till now. So if I want to execute this script in RStudio, so what I need to do is control enter, control enter, control enter. So I just need to press control enter and that particular line will be executed. And if I want to execute entire script at once, then control A, that is select all, and then control enter, and it will execute all the lines same time. So this is the first way to execute any R script. Second way is, as I have shown in the R terminal or R console, you can just use this command source and then either absolute path till the file name or just provide the file name. And this way as well, you can execute that particular R script. Again, you can utilize the same command over here as well, that over here in this R console. Again, over here we have this terminal. So in this terminal, if I want to execute the R script, then I can utilize this particular command R script, and over here as well I can run this entire R script. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.